Characters of the Seagull by Anton Chekhov. This is a LibriVox recording. All LibriVox recordings are in the public domain. For more information, or to volunteer, please visit LibriVox.org. The Seagull by Anton Chekhov. Characters:
Irina Arkadina, an actress, read by Ruth Golding.
Konstantin Treplyov, her son, read by M.B.
Peter Sorin, brother of Irina Arkadina, read by Glenn Simonson.
Nina Zaryechnaya, a young girl, the daughter of a rich landowner, read by J.C. Guan.
Ilya Shamreev,
the manager of Sorin's estate,
read by John Eddings.
Paulina, his wife, read by Tricia G.
Masha, their daughter, read by Philippa.
Boris Trigorin, an author, read by Derek George.
Eugene Dawn, a doctor, read by Robert Steiner.
Simon Medvedyenko, a schoolmaster, read by Ernst Patinama.
Jakob, a workman, read by David Muncaster. www.davidmuncaster.com.
The Cook, read by Laurianne Walden.
Stage directions, read by Hannah Dowell. End of characters.